Good day, everyone. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about mini split, including single zone and multi-zone the controllers. Meanwhile, I also provide the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your reference. This sharing device into these 6 parts. I also provide the correct subtitle. Don't forget to turn it on if you need.
Wireless controller.
This slide is the wireless remote controller family. In this table, you can find that here is the indoor unit type. This is standard, means the standard one wireless remote controller. The appearance is just like this. And here is the detailed model. And at present, I already displayed all the torso models, including the wall mounted and the duct type, cassette type, and console, just for your reference. And here is the displayer from this most popular wireless remote controller. In this displayer, you can find there are lots of the icons. Actually, we just divide it into different sections. Here is the mood area, and here display how the louver swings. This is the timer zone, and this with lots of the icons indicates the functions on off. And here is the fan speed, and at the middle it will be the temperature information. And this one is when you send the signal to the indoor unit, it will display this one. And here is to on off this Wi-Fi control. And this one display the temperature on the indoor unit panel. And here is for the functions, saving function.
Accent function, also called 8-degree heating function. Here is how to turn it on. And when you turn it on, it will fix the setting temperature to be 8 degrees. And also you cannot change the fan speed. It is fixed at auto. And for this one, it is only available in heating mode, and you can change the operating mode to exceed it, or just turn it off to exceed. And this is complete with the sleep function. I feel function. This is to detect the air return temperature from the wireless remote controller. And when you turn it on, which is to press this button, it will display this icon on the screen. And here is a heads up that it will update this value or the room temperature every 10 minutes. And you also need to put this wireless controller within the infrared receiver receiving range.
During the indoor unit operating, when you press this button on the displayer, it will display this one, which is to turn on the health seat, to turn on this cold plasma, and press again to turn on the fresh air function to introduce the fresh air. However, the torso model not equipped with both functions. Both of them are not available.
Check the ambient temperature, including the indoor and outdoor. When this thermistor is inside this house, this icon, that means it is the indoor room temperature. When this is outside, just like this, that means the outdoor ambient temperature. We display this temperature value on the light bulb. Energy saving or eye demand function. For this one, it is only for cooling. You can press this button to turn on and turn off. And on the wireless remote controller, it will display this SE, short for energy saving. And also here is a heads up that when you turn on this function, the fan speed is fixed and not available to apply turbo. And also the setting temperature is also fixed, not allowed to adjust.
Sleep mode. When you press the sleep button, then it will show you this sleep one. That is according to your setting temperature. In cooling mode, just follow this curve. Here is your set point in cooling mode, and this is your set point in heating mode. According to your detail setting value, just follow this curve. The system will automatically change your set point. Basically, in cooling mode, it's 1 hour, 1 degree higher. And also in heating mode, 1 hour, 1 degree lower. And also for the cooling mode, after 7 hours, it will just change back. And when you press the sleep button again, then it will change to the sleep mode 2 and similar to sleep mode 3. And what is the detail meaning is for sleep mode 2, you will just follow the preset curve to adjust the set point. And for sleep mode 3 is for the DIY this curve. And for more detail how to adjust it, you need to refer to the owner's manual of this wireless remote controller. Child lock. You can press the up and down button at the same time to turn on or turn off this child lock function. As for how to adjust the degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, you can press the move and down button at the same time, then it will adjust the display. That's all for this sharing. If you still have any other question or any other suggestion, feel free to send me to my email address. Meanwhile, you can also scan this QR code to access the sharing. Hasta la próxima. それではまた今度。